Are you tired of lugging around your oversized DSLR only to miss that perfect shot because you were busy trying to find space in your bag? Fear not, fellow shutterbugs. Compact cameras are here to save the day, delivering impressive performance without the heavyweight hassle. In this guide, we'll explore the best compact cameras that keep your photography dreams alive while easily fitting into your pocket. Get ready to snap stunning shots and turn those mundane moments into epic memories, all without breaking your back. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Want a deeper dive? Check out our website, TopPicksNow.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our latest picks. Let's jump into it. Number 5. GoPro Hero 12 Black, our pick for best budget compact camera. Are you on the hunt for the ultimate underwater companion? Look no further than the GoPro Hero 12 Black, the best budget compact camera that's ready to dive deep into your adventures. With a jaw-dropping video capture resolution of 5.3K, it provides a staggering 91% more detail than your run-of-the-mill 4K and a mind-blowing 665% more than those basic 1080p shots. Whether you're swimming with colorful fish or tearing through an off-road trail, this camera turns every moment into a vibrant masterpiece. You'll love the Hero 12 Black's high dynamic range capabilities, which amp up your video and photo quality, even in tricky lighting. Say goodbye to washed-out highlights and shadowy details, and hello to rich colors and stunning contrasts that'll make your friends question if you've secretly hired a professional cinematographer. And let's not forget the power of those 27-megapixel photos. With the added ability to extract high-quality 24.7-megapixel stills from your videos using the GoPro Quick app, you'll be the envy of all your social media followers. The 2.27-inch screen is a breeze to navigate, and with Bluetooth connectivity, sharing your epic moments is as easy as a tap. So gear up and let the Hero 12 Black accompany you on your next adventure. With its unbeatable durability and top-notch performance, you'll make memories that are just as extraordinary as the camera itself. Number 4. Sony RX107, our pick for best compact zoom camera. Are you on the hunt for a compact camera that's both pocket-sized and packed with power? Look no further than the Sony RX107. This little gem is your ideal sidekick for photographic adventures, slipping effortlessly into your backpack without weighing you down. With a 1-inch type sensor, the RX107 serves up stunning image quality that puts those standard compact cameras to shame. Thanks to its clever stacked design, you can shoot at a lightning-fast 20 frames per second, mastering the art of action shots without the dreaded rolling shutter distortion. Whether you want to freeze frame a sprinting cheetah or capture tranquil sunsets, this camera ensures you won't miss a beat. Love variety? The 24 to 200mm lens follows suit, letting you get up close and personal for portraits, or pull back to embrace sweeping landscapes. Plus, the pop-up viewfinder and flash are like your little secret weapons, always at the ready when spontaneity strikes. Fair warning: the battery life isn't winning any endurance contests. Pro tip: grab a couple of spares and you'll be good to go. If the RX107 seems a tad pricey, don't fret. Snagging one of the older RX100 models on the secondhand market is a clever way to score a solid camera without breaking the bank. So gear up and get ready to capture your world with flair. Still on the hunt for that ideal compact camera? No worries. More gems are coming up. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and tap the bell to stay in the loop. New videos are always around the corner. Number 3. OM System Tough TG7, our pick for best waterproof compact camera. Are you ready to take your underwater escapades and muddy hikes to a whole new level? Meet the OM System TG7, your new partner in crime for capturing epic adventures. This little beauty isn't just about surviving the wet stuff, it thrives on it, ensuring that every splash and tumble tells a story. What sets the TG7 apart? For starters, it comes equipped with a built-in microscope setting that will make you feel like a nature detective, uncovering the fine details in your world, whether it's the delicate petals of a flower or the intricate legs of an insect. Plus, with the field sensor system, you can spice up your snapshots with GPS coordinates and ambient temperature, because your memories deserve a dash of personality. Feeling like a filmmaker? This camera boasts 4K video capabilities at 30 frames per second and full HD at a dazzling 120 frames per second. Yes, you can capture fast action and then slow it down to savor those moments. With a versatile 25 to 100 millimeter optical zoom lens, get up close and personal without losing quality. And let's talk grip. With its robust hand grip, you won't have to worry about your camera slipping away during your most daring escapades. The internal zoom mechanism is your lens's best friend, keeping it safe from the unexpected bumps of adventure. When adventure calls, answer it with the TG7 because your stories deserve to be told with flair. Number 2. Fujifilm X105, our pick for best splurge compact camera. Are you on the hunt for a travel buddy that's not just stylish but also packed with features? Look no further than the Fujifilm X105. The camera that's equal parts chic and functional. This little powerhouse boasts a 23mm f2 lens and a jaw-dropping 26.1 megapixel resolution, transforming your adventures into framed masterpieces. Want that perfect vintage vibe or a sleek modern look? With its built-in film simulation modes, you're just a twist of the dial away from your ideal aesthetic. The X105 takes versatility up a notch with its hybrid viewfinder, letting you switch from a charming optical viewfinder to a crisp 3.69 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder in a heartbeat. And let's not overlook the 3-inch tilting touchscreen, perfect for those low-angle shots of your culinary masterpieces or the world around you. Plus, with 4K video at 30 frames per second, you'll capture every dazzling sunset and bustling street scene like a pro. Don't let a little drizzle ruin your creative streak. Add an adapter ring and weather-sealed lens and you're ready to roll, rain, or shine. Compact and lightweight at just 1.05 pounds, the X100F fits snugly in your bag, making it your perfect partner for spontaneous escapades. With this gem by your side, every moment is a photo op waiting to happen. Before we reveal our top pick, take a look at the links in the description for the most up-to-date deals. If you're enjoying this content, hit subscribe and stay informed on the best products on the market. Number 1. Sony ZV-1, our pick for best compact camera overall. Are you a vlogger or content creator on the hunt for a compact powerhouse to level up your videos? Say hello to the Sony ZV-1, your new dynamic companion that weighs just 0.65 pounds and boasts dimensions that fit snugly in your bag, making it a breeze to take along on all your creative escapades. With a dazzling 20.1 megapixel resolution, each video and selfie you snap will radiate detail, helping you forge a deeper connection with your audience. But wait, there's more. The ZV-1 is equipped with advanced real-time eye autofocus and subject tracking, ensuring that you're always the star of your own show. Whether you're filming a captivating tutorial or sharing a hilarious moment, the side flip-out 3-inch LCD screen allows you to frame your shots like a pro. And let's not forget about sound. Your audience wants to hear you loud and clear. With a 3.5mm microphone jack, a 2.5mm mic connection, and a multi-interface shoe, your audio game will be on point, enhancing your storytelling experience. Ready for some eye-popping visuals? The ZV-1 shoots breathtaking Ultra HD 4K footage at 30 frames per second, giving your content the striking clarity it deserves. So gear up, get creative, and let the Sony ZV-1 help you craft captivating masterpieces that leave your audience wanting more. The only question is, are you ready to elevate your content game? And that's a wrap. If you had half as much fun watching our list of best compact cameras as we did putting it together, hit that like button and show some love with a subscribe. Thinking of picking one? Tell us which in the comments. Which product had you saying, I need this? Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.